we're able to deliver local services by local people in local buildings.
One feels one's putting something back into the community. It saves them having to visit Aberystwyth, which is 18 miles away.
The people have been fantastic. I'm very appreciative.
We've got a wonderful team of 36 volunteers across Paris. The service would not exist without the volunteers. They are trained through the audiologists. They're there to give peer-to-peer support because a lot of them have experience of hearing loss, and they're able to give advice, maintenance, and to help the clients help themselves with self-management.
They can have their new batteries and can have the tubes changed. And also I think they quite appreciate the friendly service that they get.
We see over 2,000 people every single year. If we didn't have the volunteers within the clinics, then those 2,000 people would end up attending appointments or dropping clinics within audiology departments.
Someone comes in, their aid's not working so well, we have a go at it and it's working well. They put the hearing aid back in, they go, "Oh, I can hear you," and there's a big smile on their face.
The benefits that we see with increased independence, increased self-esteem, the way that they're communicating with people, the way that they're engaged more in their lives, the way that they're attending more social activities, it all has a knock-on effect with well-being, and also it's right on their doorstep.